Hey guys, welcome back again sa isang panibagong video at ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng SCP Horror Map by Gab the Crafter. Nakikita nyo dito guys, yan si SCP-096. So itong isang mapa na to ay lalaruin natin for the purpose of defeating SCP-096. So ito pa yung mga iba niyang mapa. May Dark Light rin dito, parang SCP rin yata yan. Probably gonna play it later. So map rules, let's see. Don't use any kind of cheats. Play in adventure mode. Set your difficulty to easy. Set your volume to max or wear earphones for better experience. And set your brightness to 50%. Okay, so map story. You are staff of some secret organization that contaminated a lot of experiments. But one night, the experiments escaped their cell. And one of the experiment is 096, the Shy Guy. And you are on a mission to exterminate all the experiments, including kay Shy Guy. So, map resource, ano to? Okay, I have a key card. And an iron pick. Where is the key card? Okay. Start na lang kaya tayo. Let's go! Oh, sa block tayo. Gab the Crafter presents SCP-096. Pwede na natin siraan. SCP Horror Map. Ano mangyayari pag sinira natin to? Oh. Yo, find a way to go to the second floor. Get your equipment on the chest. Yung ganda ng chest, oh, parang supply crate. Okay, let's see. Whoa, hazmat suit. My knife, my AK. Damn. Okay, tignan natin yung isang side na yun. Tignan natin. So, I guess ito yung elevator. Kailangan natin ma-access to so we can get to the second floor. And block, the stairs are heavily damaged because of the outbreak. My bars fall. Okay, that's nice. Experiment 101. Hello. Hello, D. Hello, oh. Ina mo, bay. Okay, dude. Ang goofy ng sounds. Hello, guys. Oh my god, ang dami. What the heck? Yung key card, oh. Clinic key card. So, pwede natin to gamitin sa clinic. I guess all the way over there. SCP-105 escape cell. Open that bad boy up. Let's see. Okay. May mga amo pa ba dito? Tignan natin tong side na to. Yo, metal bookshelves. What the heck? Key card para saan? Meron pang knife dito. I don't need that. What is that? Ano yan, dude? Okay. Mga nandito. Oh, tang talaga. Why you're so OP? Ayun sila. Hello, babe. Headshot. Saan yung isa? Hello, dude. Punta tayo sa the other room. Maybe the room over there, dun sa room na yun, para ma-open yung sa control room. Tingnan natin. Control room. Hello. Elevator switch. Okay. Elevator security measures off. Let's go. Chapter 2. Press this button. Boy, what the heck is that? Chapter 2, SCP-096. So, I guess sa chapter na to is madidefeat na natin si 096. So, ito yung security. Let's see. My key card. Seems like it's only 8 key card. Kung napanood nyo guys si Rage Elixir, I guess magiging familiar na kayo dito sa mapa na to. Oh god. Hey guys, oh my god, ito yung mabilis. Wombo. Ito yung keycard, oh. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's fight ya boy 096. Yun, so, nangyari sa'yo? Oh, what the heck, dude? Oh my god, so. Yun, so. Yeah, let's go. Okay, alis na tayo. Okay, let's go. Exit. Yay, we beat the map. So, ito yung mga naglaro. Unspeakable, The Astonishing Minecraft, Nyromix, Sapat Wala si Rage. Shoutout to Darklight players, there they are. And sana guys na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. At kung na-enjoy nyo, please like and subscribe. It's appreciable. And we're trying to get the 300 subscriber milestone. And we're going to have another video tomorrow. So stay tuned. Have a God blessing day and goodbye.